Welcome to Inspiria TV. I am Mehfil-E-Ghazal and you are watching Inspiria this month, where we explore the most exciting events and updates from this month. Let's begin with the news headlines. Inspiria hosts TEDx experience celebrating ideas worth spreading. BMS department student conduct exclusive interviews with the 8 TEDx speakers ahead of mega event. Mehfil-E-Ghazal, Inspiria's literary club, hosts an evening poetry and soulful expressions. Lights, camera, action. BMS department hosts an engaging acting workshop with Viswajit sir. Inspiria Knowledge Campus successfully hosted TEDx on February 6, 2026, bringing together visionaries, entrepreneur, wellness expert, and thought leaders under the theme Ideas Worth Spreading. The event featured inspiring talks by speakers including Alkesh Agarwal, Lieutenant Colonel Ankita Srivastav, Kamal Agarwala, Shivani Agarwala, and others, who shared insights on leadership, resilience, wellness, AI, and personal growth. Divided into 2 engaging sessions, the program also included cultural performance and networking opportunities. The Grand TEDx experience created a powerful platform for meaningful dialogues, informations, and transformative ideas, leaving the audience motivated and inspired. Students of the BMS department at Inspiria Knowledge Campus actively engaged with the speaker of TEDx Inspiria Knowledge Campus by conducting 8 back-to-back exclusive interviews ahead of mega event. The students interacted closely with the speakers, gaining insights into their journey, ideas, and upcoming talks. Alongside the interviews, students also carry out workshop sessions, capturing audience excitements and expectation. Medicine students utilized the platform as a hands-on learning opportunity, managing documentation, backstage coordination, and digital coverage. The coordinated effort ensured smooth media coverage of TEDx event, reflecting professionalism, teamwork, and practical exposure beyond the classroom. The Literary Club of Inspiria Knowledge Campus successfully organized the second edition of Mehfil-E-Ghazal on 26 February, creating an evening filled with poetry, music, and soulful entertainment. The event brought together students who showcased their love for Urdu poetry and ghazals through heartfelt performance. The atmosphere was vibrant, yet serene, allowing the audience to deeply connect with the rhythm and emotions of each recital. Students not only enjoyed the cultural celebration but also gained a better understanding of poetic expressions and the essence of ghazal as an art form, making the evening both enriching and memorable. The BMS department of Inspiria Knowledge Campus organized an engaging acting workshop conducted by famous North Bengal actor Viswajit Roy. The session introduced students to the dynamic world of acting and drama, offering them practical exposure beyond classroom learning. During the workshop, Mr. Roy shared valuable insight into body language, voice modulation, expressions, and stage presence. Through interactive exercises and live demonstration, students explored the fundamentals of performance and character building. The workshop was not only informative but also highly participative as the students stepped onto the stage to perform short act and improvisation under his guidance. The hands-on experience boosted their confidence and creativity, making it a memorable learning opportunity. The session successfully blended theory with practice, inspiring students to explore theatre and performance art with renewed enthusiasm.
क्रिएटिविटी का तो कोई फाइनल डिसीजन है नहीं, बट दिस इज द लिमिट। इसके आगे आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं। आप रिक्रिएट कर ही सकते हो। और सबसे ज़्यादा इसका एग्जीक्यूशन होता है गाने पे, कवर के ऊपर कवर, कवर के ऊपर कवर, कवर के ऊपर चलता ही रहता है।
That's all for this edition of Inspiria this month. Stay tuned for more exciting updates in the coming month. Thank you for watching Inspiria TV.